ellipse.
Ellipse, okay, given. Okay, okay, I have given. Okay, okay. Today, I am going to take one new topic. That is in the last topic, fourth chapter, last topic, beta gamma function is there. Okay, because today I am not able to explain on the board. I am in my native place. Okay, guys, using that PDF material today I will explain. Okay, that evolutes continuation Monday I will take. Okay.
Yes, Yes, ma'am. ma'am.
Okay, guys. Okay, ma.
Mostly
Because of Pongal festival, I
बंद कर दो.
okay.
We'll be having holidays for Pongal.
Sorry.
We'll be having holidays for Pongal.
Yeah, Thursday, Friday leave. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday classes are there. Okay, guys.
Okay, okay.
Okay. But I took leave. But anyway, I have to take the class. Okay. Okay, ma. Wait a minute. I will open the PDF. Evolutes. After evolutes, envelope is there. One topic is there, and then thereafter beta gamma function. Okay, the beta gamma function one small topic. Using I have material. Using that notes, I will explain clearly. Okay. In case 1 second, if I want to explain on the board also, I will explain. Okay, after Monday. 1 second. Guys, notes visible for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In this topic, small problems are there. Okay, small problems only is there. If we want to solve the problems, we should remember the some results. Okay, in gamma function and also in beta function. Okay, beta and gamma function, two functions are there. Some results also is there. Using the definition, we can prove some results. Using that results only, we are going to solve the problems. Okay, problems are simple. Okay, simple, small problems only is there. Okay, guys. First definition for gamma function. 1 second. Amma. First definition, the gamma function. The gamma function is defined as gamma of n integral 0 to infinity e power minus x to the power n minus 1 into dx for n greater than 0. Okay, and you should remember. Okay, keep it in your mind. Gamma of n equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus x into x to the power n minus 1 into dx. Okay, in gamma function, using this definition only, we can prove all the results. Okay, this is gamma of n. Okay, using this definition, we can write for using this definition, we can write for gamma of n plus 1 result also. Okay, we know that gamma of n plus 1. See, in gamma of n result, left hand side gamma of n is there. Right hand side in the power of x, what is there? Guys?
N minus 1.
N minus 1. Left hand side n means right hand side in the power of x n minus 1. Okay. In the next result, left hand side n plus 1 is there. In the power of x, what will come? Previous term. N plus 1 left hand side. Right hand side, we have to write the previous term. X to the power. What is the previous value of n plus 1? Previous term.
N.
N. Okay, n. See, gamma of n plus 1 equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus x, x to the power n into dx. Okay, using gamma of n definition, we can write for gamma of n plus 1. Okay, guys? Okay. In the next step, integral 0 to infinity x to the power n e power minus x can be written as d of minus e to the power minus x. What is the differentiation of minus of e power minus x? Tell me.
minus of e की power x.
Minus of e power minus x. Differentiation.
e to the power minus
a की power
Again,
minus
it will
x.
come. Again, it will come e power minus x only. There is no difference. Okay, we are going to apply here UDV formula. That's why we are rewriting in this form. Okay, e power minus x equal to, we can write d of minus e power minus x. Okay, in the next step, apply UDV formula. Okay, this is the form of UDV. U equal to x to the power n. V equal to minus e power minus x. What is the formula? Tell me, UDV formula. Integral of UDV. Guys,
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, may you repeat
which one?
which formula you were asking?
Integral UDV. Integral UDV.
U square du by
No, not U square.
mu integration of dv minus whole integration of d by dx of u into integration of v dx.
No. UV minus integral V du. That's it. You don't remember? Integral
No.
UDV equal to UV minus integral V du. Do you remember, guys? Say yes or no.
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
You don't know integral UDV formula.
No, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Now you can study. Integral UDV equal to UV minus integral VDU. Okay, this is the formula. I did not write the formula here. Okay, you just note it down. Here U equal to what? X to the power n, x power n into V. V equal to e power minus of e power minus x. UV 0 to infinity. Okay, limits minus integral V du. What is V here? What is V?
E की power minus x
Why?
into
Minus e power minus x. Here one bracket will come. Not this is not n into x power n minus 1 minus e power minus x. This is product value. Here one bracket will come. Okay, this is V du. The u is x to the power n. Differentiate with respect to x. N into x power n minus 1 into dx. Okay, guys, understood formula?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and then now you apply the limits. In the first term, first you apply the upper limit value infinity in the place of x. What will come? E power minus infinity value.
ma'am what? E की power
Minus x is there. First you substitute x is equal to infinity. Upper limit value
Zero.
infinity.
0. It will be 0.
0 and lower limit value 0.
1.
But in product one x power n is there. In the place of x you substitute 0.
Then
0
it
will come.
will be 0.
It will be 0. Overall, the first term value is 0. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the second term, n constant take outside, and there are two negative signs. That is plus. Okay. That is e power minus x into x to the power n minus 1 into dx. Okay. What is the definition for gamma of n? Yeah.
Integral 0 to infinity e to
Uh,
minus x
minus
into
x
n
power
minus 1
n
dx.
minus 1. We can write it as this term equal to n into gamma of n.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we proved gamma of n plus 1 equal to n into gamma of n. One result. Okay. Once you go through slowly, if you have any doubt, ask me. 1 second, I will explain. Okay, guys. Shall we move to the next problem? Next results.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Next result is gamma of n plus 1 equal to, we can prove sorry guys, 1 second. Okay, now we can write gamma of n plus 1 equal to n factorial also. Okay, guys, I'm audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
ma.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Already we approved gamma of n plus 1 equal to n into gamma of n. Already we proved. Again, we are going to use.
Ma'am, are you sharing the screen?
Hello.
Guys, I'm audible now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You are
Dr.
audible.
Rishi also is there. Sorry, guys. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, listen here. Gamma of n plus 1 equal to n into gamma
Ma'am,
of
you are
n.
not sharing
Ma'am,
the
can you please present the
screen.
screen?
Sorry?
Can you
The
please present
screen
the
is not
screen?
being shared. The
Oh,
screen is not being shared.
oh, wait. Okay. Now?
Yes, ma'am. It's now visible.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Already we proved gamma of n plus 1 equal to n into gamma of n. Again, using the same result, we are going to prove which is equal to n factorial. Okay. Okay. Here, n into gamma of n is n equal to, we can write n minus 1 into gamma of n minus 1. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
N plus 1 is n into gamma of n. That is a previous term. Here, left hand side n plus 1 means right hand side n is there. Gamma of n is equal to, we can write n minus 1 is previous term here. N minus 1 into gamma of n minus 1. Guys, are you able to follow the steps?
Ma'am, what is gamma basically?
This is one function. Yeah, already we defined, no. This is one symbol, gamma. That symbol defined in this way. See, gamma of n is equal to, this is the definition. This is standard definition.
So always gamma n would be always this.
Yeah, always this only. Already defined.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. See, this one understood, ma. Gamma of n can be written as n minus 1 into gamma of n minus 1. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you tell me what is gamma of n minus 1? Boys, we can all tell me, boys.
N minus 2
Uh,
factorial.
no. Just I am asking you. You don't. Gamma of n minus 1. Gamma of n plus 1 is n into gamma of n. Use that concept. What is gamma of
Okay,
n minus 1?
gamma n minus 1 would be gamma n plus 1 upon n into n minus
No.
1.
Okay, what is gamma of n?
0 to infinity integral e to the power minus x raised to power n minus 1 dx.
No, ma. This one you understood. One
Yes,
second. We are good. Gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma of n. This result already we proved. This is okay for you. This one.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Left hand side here n plus 1 is there. Right hand side what is there? Previous term is there. N into gamma of n. What is gamma of n? Again use the same result. How can we write gamma of n? Tell
n
me.
minus
N minus 1.
1
N minus 1 into gamma of n minus 1. That is the previous term n minus 1. What is gamma of n minus 1? I am asking.
n minus
Gamma
2.
of
N minus 2.
gamma n
that's all. N minus 2 into gamma of n minus 2. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
etc. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
etc. We can write in this form. Finally, n into n minus 1 into etc. Gamma of 1 will come. Okay, that is n factorial. Okay, gamma of 1 value is 1. I will explain in the next step. Finally, when we apply the results one by one, that gamma value, we are getting n into n minus 1, n minus 2, etc. 1 into gamma of 1 will come. That is n factorial. One result. Gamma of 1 is equal to, we know that gamma of n is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus x to the power n minus 1. Okay, general thing. Here n is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. X to the power 0 will come here. Anything power 0?
1.
1. Only we are getting e power minus x into dx. Integrate with respect to x, minus e power minus x will come. 0 to infinity. Upper limit value 0, lower limit value 1. Here 1 minus. In the lower limit 1 minus, that is plus 1. Gamma of one value is 1. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Overall, you tell me how many results we derived. First one is, we know that the definition for gamma of n. Okay. Next, gamma of
Gamma of n plus 1 equal to n
Yes,
into gamma
ma'am.
n.
gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma of n. Second one. Third one,
Gamma of n plus 1 equal to n factorial.
n factorial. Fourth one, gamma of 1 is
Most
equal
forget
to 1.
1.
1.
Okay. Okay. You should remember all the results. Okay. Okay, fine. Next, beta function. The beta function denoted by beta of m comma n. Okay, with the here the parameter m comma n is defined as beta of m comma n equal to integral 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 into 1 minus x power n minus 1 into dx for mn greater than 0. Okay, you should remember beta function definition also. Okay, guys, this is the definition. Next, properties of beta function. Beta of m comma n equal to beta of n comma m. Okay, first property, we can prove beta of m comma n equal to beta of n comma m. Okay, we know that beta of m comma n. First, you write the result definition for beta of m comma n, and then in the place of x, you just replace x by 1 minus x. In the place of x, replace x by 1 minus x. See, 1 minus x whole power m minus 1. Here 1 minus x is there. In the place of x1, 1 minus x will come. Negative sign command, that is 1 minus 1 minus x will come. 1 1 cancel. Okay, we are getting here 1 x will come plus x, x to the power n minus 1 into 1 minus x whole power m minus 1 into dx. Okay, what is this? In beta of m comma n, here x power m is there. Here x power n is there. Here n, here m. That is beta of n comma m. Beta of m comma n equal to beta of n comma m. Okay, guys, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. If you have any doubt, no problem. After Monday, I will explain on the board also. Okay, you don't worry. Once I will explain, tell me 1 second, I will explain on the board. Next, other forms of beta function. One more result. Beta of m comma n equal to integral 0 to infinity y power m minus 1 by 1 plus y whole power m plus n into dy. Okay, this is one result is there. And we know that beta of m comma n definition. See, one more important thing, ma. In beta function, integral 0 to 1. In gamma to infinity, keep it in your mind. Okay, here 0 to 1. Okay, using the beta function definition, we are going to prove this, and also we are going to use the substitution method here. Put x is equal to y by 1 plus y. X equal to y by 1 plus y, and also you change the limits. Yeah, in the place of x, put y by 1 plus y here, and here also 1 minus what will come? 1 minus y by 1 plus y will come. 1 minus of y by 1 plus y will come. Taking cross multiplication, 1 plus y, 1 plus y minus 1 will come. Okay, 1 1 cancel. No. 1 minus x, in the place of x, y by, yeah, correct, y cancel. In the place of x, y by 1 plus y, taking cross multiplication, what will come? 1 plus y minus y divided by 1 plus y will come. Y opposite sign cancel, we will get 1. 1 by 1 plus y whole power n minus 1 into dx. What is dx? Differentiate this dy by the 1 plus y whole square. How can we write this? Yeah, you tell me. Dy by 1 plus y square. How will come? X as y by 1 plus
Ma'am,
y. Tell me.
ma'am, please tell the logic that you put x is equals to y upon 1 plus y. Ma'am, I don't get this.
Yeah, let us consider. This is fixed. Then only we will get this result. If we
Is
take
it a derivation type?
not a substitution method, yeah. We are taking x is equal to this. When I take like that, see here y power n minus 1 by 1 plus y whole power, this one we got. This result we will get. Beta of m comma n is equal to this we will get. This one. We should remember. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
so in that derivation, we know the result before, and for arriving at that result, we use those means we put x like y upon 1 plus y so that we can arrive to that conclusion.
Yes, if we are taking x is equal to y by 1 plus y only, now we will get this result. We will get this one in the substitution part.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Substitute here, and then finally, integral. See y by 1. See in the denominator here 1 plus y whole power m minus 1. Here 1 plus y whole power n minus 1. Here 1 plus y whole squared is there. Okay. Adding all the terms, what will come? Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. This is 1 plus 2. Cancel out. We are getting 1 plus y whole power m plus n in the denominator. Okay. In the numerator, y power m minus 1 into dy. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, okay, this is simple result. I will upload the same notes in the same material. I will upload in GCR and also in the WhatsApp group also I will upload. Okay, once you go through all the results, you don't worry. If you have any doubt, 1 second I will explain. Okay. Next, this is one result. Beta of m comma n equal to 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 2m minus 1 theta into cos power 2n minus 1 theta into d theta. Okay, this is one result. Again, we are going to use the same beta function definition. Write the beta function definition 0 to 1 x power m minus 1 into this. Here, put x is equal to sine square theta. In this result, if we take x is equal to sine square theta only, we are getting this one. Okay, if we take x is equal to sine square theta, we will get this one. Again, we are going to use the same substitution method. Dx is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta into d theta. Okay, beta of m comma n is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Yeah. We have to change the limits also, no? Okay, when x is equal to 0, what is theta? When x is equal to 0, what is theta?
0.
Guys, 0. When x is equal to 1, theta?
Pi by 2.
90.
Pi by 2. Okay, that is the limits here 0 to pi by 2. Okay, sine square x power m minus 1 na sine square theta whole power m minus 1 into cos square theta. Cos square theta means 1 minus x is there. 1 minus sine square theta will be cos square theta. Cos square theta whole power n minus 1 into dx. Dx is 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. Okay, and then 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power. This becomes 2. Here one sine theta is there. Here one sine square whole power m minus 1 means sine power 2m minus 2. Okay, minus 2 plus 1. Sine theta power 1 here, that is minus 1. Sine power 2m minus 1 into similarly cos power 2n minus 1 theta into d theta. Okay, yes, we proved it. Okay, guys, go through fully. Guys, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Next one is, this is one result. I of m comma n is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power m theta into cos power n theta d theta. Then we can write 1 by 2 into beta of m plus 1 by 2 comma n plus 1 by 2. This is one result. That proof no need. You just remember the result only enough. Okay. Next.
Ma'am, please explain the result again.
Sorry, which one? The previous last one.
Ma'am, this one I m comma n is equals to half beta.
This is only statement, not a proof, not only statement. If 0 to I equal to 0 to pi by 2 sine m theta cos power n theta d theta, then we can write I m comma n is equal to 1 by 2 into beta of m plus 1 by 2 comma n plus 1 by 2. Only statement.
Ma'am, what is I here?
I just a notation, that's all. Both are same only, which is equal to this, that's it.
That will be m plus 1 by 2 comma n plus 1 by 2, na?
M plus 1 comma n plus 1. M plus 1 by 2. First term m plus 1, not n.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now we have seen separately beta function and separately gamma function. Okay. Now relation between beta and gamma function. Okay. This is one relation. This is important relation. Beta of m comma n equal to, we can write gamma of m into gamma of n divided by gamma of m plus n. Okay, this is one standard result. Okay, see, now we know that beta of m comma n is equal to this, and also we know that beta of m comma n is equal to this. We proved. See, beta of m comma n is equal to this one. Am I right? This one we proved. Beta of m comma n, left hand side write that result, right hand side the same thing. Okay, putting 2m minus 1 equal to p and 2n minus 1 equal to q. Yeah, from this we can write m is equal to p plus 1 by 2, n is equal to q plus 1 by 2. And also m plus n is equal to p plus q plus 2. Adding these two values, we will get this. Okay, therefore substitute here. The 2 goes to right hand side, that is in the right hand side 1 by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 2m minus 1. 2m minus 1 is nothing but p. 2n minus 1 is q equal to 1 by 2 into, we can write beta of m comma n. M is p plus 1 by 2 comma q plus 1 by 2. And also we know that beta of m comma n is equal to, in terms of gamma, we can write gamma of m into gamma of n by gamma of m plus n. Okay, see, this is look like beta of m comma n. Gamma of m, gamma of n by gamma of m plus n. Okay, in this result, put q equal to 0. Q 0 means we'll get only the value for sine power p theta d theta. Right hand side also put q equal to 0. And then in the same result again put p equal to 0. We'll get sine term 0, cos q theta, cos square theta d theta equal to right hand side on result we'll get. Okay, and also in the same result, putting m is equal to 1 by 2 and n is equal to 1 by 2. What will come? 1 by 2 means 2m minus 1 is there. In the result, sine power 2m minus 1 na, into cos power 2m minus 1 na, m 1 by 2 means 2 cancel, 1 minus 1 0. Sine power 0 will come, cos power 0 will come. That is 0, 1. Anything power 0, 1, we know that we are getting 2 into 0 to pi by 2 into d theta only. Okay, only d theta. Right hand side also put 1 by 2. See here, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Gamma of 1 by 2, gamma of 1 by 2 whole squared will come. In the denominator, gamma of 1 will come. Gamma of 1 value, we know that 1. Okay, 1. Right hand side, gamma of 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, gamma of 1 by 2 whole square, this value is 1. 2 into integrate with respect to theta, that is value is pi. Therefore, gamma of 1 by 2 equal to root pi. This is one important result. Guys,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, okay. Putting m equal to 1 minus n in equation 1. Equation 1 is this one. This one. M equal to 1 minus n. We are getting beta of 1 minus n comma n. Right hand side also put m is equal to 1 minus n. Yeah, so the gamma of 1 value is 1, which is equal to this one. And also we know that we proved already this one, x power n minus 1 by 1 plus. Yeah, I will show you. Yeah, this one. In terms of y, here we are using in terms of x. That's all. Beta of n comma 1 minus n is x power n minus 1 by 1 plus x whole power, that m plus n, this is n plus 1 minus n plus 1 minus n into dx. This is cancel. We are getting x power n minus 1 by 1 plus x into dx. That is gamma of n into gamma of 1 minus n equal to pi by sine n pi. Integrating this, we will get this. It will come. Okay, you try to find this value, this to this term. Okay, I will ask in the next class. Putting n is equal to 1 by 2 in this, gamma of 1 by 2, 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2, that is gamma of 1 by 2 whole squared. Pi by sine pi by 2, sine pi by 2 value is 1, we are getting pi. We can write gamma of 1 by 2 equal to root pi. In this way also we can prove gamma of 1 by 2 equal to root pi. Already we proved gamma of 1 by 2 equal to root pi. In this result also again we proved it. Okay. Okay guys, you do one thing. Today I will upload the same materials in the GCR and also in the WhatsApp group. Once you go through fully, okay, problems we will solve in the next class. Okay, first you ask for doubts in the results and thereafter we can solve the problems. Okay guys.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma. I think you have doubts. Okay, I will download the attendance first. Guys,